My name is Zara, and together with my co-founders Jill and Alejandra, we're building Fixit. Fixit is a smart platform that uses AI to diagnose household repair issues and connects people with the correct handy people, like plumbers or carpenters, for step-by-step guidance of the repair process over a video call. So it's a simple, affordable way of fixing something around the house with expert help, but without the long waiting times or high costs. And it's all done remotely, which also makes it more sustainable and accessible to all. We also plan to reintegrate underrepresented groups like injured handymen, caretakers, stay-at-home parents, or retirees. The three of us met in Berlin over 2.5 years ago on our master's program, and Fixit actually started as an idea during our entrepreneurship course. Alejandra and I, coming from Mexico and Tajikistan, were both surprised by how tricky and expensive it was to find someone for small household repairs. So we thought, why not help people fix things themselves with expert support whenever they need it, online. Of course, building a startup in Germany isn't always easy, and our current challenge is limited marketing resources. Thanks to the Exist Scholarship, we've been able to concentrate on building our product and getting mentorship, but of course these funds cannot be used for promotion purposes. That's why this award would be such a huge help for us. It would let us spread the word, reach customers, and launch our product across Germany within the coming months. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and we're very excited for you to support Fixit.